Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is another different T-Mobile iPhone 6 space gray 16 gigabyte. Had a terrible balance due on this device, in which we managed to save the customer from a lot of money and a lot of hassle. This device is definitely blocked. It's the same exact Imei number as you can see here. So we're gonna go ahead and pause the video and perform the services. By the time we get back, the device is gonna be totally cleared off and good to go. We are back, and like I said, every service that we perform, it's a new device. You can also pause the videos to verify yourself that these are new units, that we're clearing the balances off completely. So we've already performed the services. As a matter of fact, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the same Imei over here, and then I'm gonna go back to the status check. We're just gonna clear that out right there. I'm gonna repaste it in. Like I say, we are performing this on new and different devices. Clear it all.